Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Step-by-step guide how to stop your PC screen from turning off automatically. So here, I will teach you how to stop your PC from turning off automatically. Because sometimes every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, your PC screens turn off. So what to do and how to do it. So there's two ways of doing it. The first way is doing it, just go in the settings. Here at your settings, go to system. After going to system right here, you will see power and sleep. Press on that. And as you can see, mine, as you can see, it never goes to sleep. As you can see right here, I put it on never. So usually, some people put it on hour or 3 hours, 2 hours. But if you're grinding or doing something like, for example, grinding a game or grinding an app or something, I suggest putting it to never. And also your PC, put it to never. So when the difference between this one screen, the screen only turns off, but your PC still runs. But this one right here, your PC sleeps and also your screen sleeps. So this is both. So yeah, there you go. And you can also change your performance right here, as you can see right now. And the second way of doing this is by typing in edit power plan and press on that. Here, as you can see on my edit power plan, it's also the same as what's right here. So you can change it to whatever time that you want right here, and also for your PCs right here. So yeah, and if you wanted to restore the default setting for this plan, just click on this right here to put it back to normal. So there you go, guys. And here we have the advanced power right here. As you can see right here, if you activate the balance, and we have the high performance and power saving, but mostly these options are only better if you are using a laptop. But if you're using like a low-end PC, I suggest going with balance, or maybe yeah, balance if you're using the PC low-end PC. And mid-end, try it like mine, balance. If you're using a good PC, I suggest going to best performance. So yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys did well. Please enjoy. If you have any more questions, type it in the question below. We'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.